Good morning. This is a reflection on God of the workshop door. God of healing, we thank you for the places we can go for repair. In Advent, we hear many beautiful words from the prophet Isaiah. They come from centuries ago, yet understand our need for healing and love, forgiveness and freedom. Loving God, we all have a few miles on the clock. There are days when we wonder how long we'll keep going. Yet we know you send none of us to the scrapyard, and that you carefully tune our souls to respond to your word, your grace. Keep us on the road that leads to you. Even if others seem to undertake or overtake us or take different roads, we know that you have a unique journey for us, and that your mother came to Bethlehem on a donkey with nothing in her tank but faith. Amen. And today's psalm is this, from Psalm 72. May we be like rain that falls on mown grass, like showers that water the earth. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.